add your image into the timeline. Then proceed by scaling the image as follows. Add sample colors according to the position of the markers. Go to Effects tab and add Milled effect. Right click on the sample colors and choose Crop to Fit. Now change the blending mode of the sample colors to soft light. Go to Effects tab and add Up-Down 2 effect and customize it as follows. Adjust the frequency to 300. Copy the effect and paste it at the beginning of each sample color. That's all for today. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.